This tutorial is about open innovation, and it shows the functionality of strategicfrontend.com, the global enterprise management system, which is a trusted application for linking strategy and execution by thousands of managers worldwide, and give you an overview how to use this kind of tool which supports open innovation. The first condition is that your administrator assigned you a name and a password, and if you got one, you can log in, and actually I think you see your tailored dashboard where the innovation button is one out of 16 possible functionality to manage the company in, if you want, in a circle of with these 16 tools. So let's go to innovation. Click on the innovation icon, and you see all these innovations in different stages. Innovation stage 0 means all the ideas in there, the innovations who passed this stage are now in stage 1, stage 2, and so on. So you see exactly the pipeline of innovation from the idea to the rollout in a very clear way. Let's look into one of these innovations of stage 0, for instance, Innovations Project Ripper. And it gives you a nice overview of this innovations idea, about in which category it is, like senses, which sector, and for what regions it apply, and also I think gives you the objectives and so on. It describes the benefits, the technology, the characteristics, the risks, market attractiveness, and basic conditions of this. It gives you all the attached documents, and the documents which you can get from Google documents, applications like this one, where you see immediately, how this innovation looks like. You see the team which are invited to participate into this innovation exercise. You always can add new members to the team out of the users internally, which got permission by the administrator to participate, and you can also assign them a role, whether he's a manager of this project or an expert which gives input. It's a very useful thing. Then you have a discussion forum where you actually can state questions and can have a discussion going, can add new entries to this kind of discussion. This is a very standard kind of functionality. The nice thing is the ratings, that you can see what is the rating, and if you click on gate 1, so you see actually all the people who rated. You see the criteria of the rating, and you see the average out of it, and you can also see there are differences between persons in ratings, so that you can start discussions why they see it differently, and so on. So you see, this is really a collaborative kind of effort coming up with the rating. And also you can immediately define initiatives so about what to do next with this kind of idea, for instance, bring it to the next stage. And of course, you can also, I think, have a kind of evaluation process. So what to do in order to manage this kind of innovation? The innovation manager and all the participants, need to click on the market button, and the market button is the first menu line of the global enterprise management system. You see market, and in the second you see innovations. So if you have market and you click on innovations, you are in the innovation functionality. First, you can, as output search for all the innovations which are in the system, and also I think, which is quite good, you can compare innovations in different gates. For instance, gate number 0. You see actually, I think, all the innovations, and you have mouse over, you can identify them, what innovations they are. You see actually what is the criteria on the X and on the Y axis, and usually have multiple criteria, and you can animate this kind of thing. So you see the different criteria is changing, and then you can also stop it, and you can see what are the good things coming into the green field, or what are the less good things which are more on the bottom in terms of a different combination of criteria. So very useful kind of functionalities. You see, these are the central criteria which are used in the innovation process, and what are the values you are assigning them, for instance, between 0 and 10. And also, I think you define the gates of your stage gate process. So you see every company can assign their criteria, their gates to it, so it's highly flexible. And also for every gate you can have your special sets of criteria, so that you don't have the same criteria as if you go along the stage gate process. So if you want to add new innovations, you go to market innovations, and you have here the create button plus, so, and everybody can create, who is allowed to the name of the innovation, for instance, target group is end user, or is this the OEM, or whatever your target group definition is. And here you see again, this actually, I think, is the master data assigned by the administrator, what sector, what region is this innovation relevant, what category, in terms of product category, and then you can create, if you push create, you can create this kind of innovation. This is how you create a new one, and then actually, I think, if you have created a new one, and then of course you can make all these description documents, team discussion, the ratings of it, and actually I think design the initiative, for instance, for the next phase in this. This is actually, I think, very nice and useful functionality for managing open innovation, and this shows actually, I think, the strengths of strategic fund.com, the global enterprise management system, that in one platform you can manage globally, all the management processes, which needs a lot of interactions, and therefore I think it plays to the strengths of strategicfrontend.com, which uses the methods of the leading consulting companies, for instance, in open innovation. We have a lot of gotten input from MIT, which is a leader on open innovation, and we combine it with Google Apps, which is really becoming the leader in collaborative tools like groups, documents, and so on.